What is up, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? That's why I did it right here, so you won't get your face in it. I'll venture on to this. Don't slip and bust my ass. Oh, shit. Alright, last time we came here, big ass Wasp decided, no, you're not going here today. And it was at night and I almost busted my ass. Oh, that's reassuring. Great. Oh, it's a two-story. Oh, I don't think we're gonna get one on the second story. Yeah. Ooh, nice pink room. If the floor's fine, we could. That's as long as the floor is fine. What? Oh. Vent.
Right by the door like that?
Mm-hmm.
Why are there nails in it?
Lock. Oh, this is so dangerous. This is so dangerous.
Hmm? Steps are starting to bend.
Ah, don't say that.
They are.
Okay. I'm actually not going to go up there because I ain't trying to die today. But I can try to give you a little sneak peek.
Yeah, like someone was living in there. That stuff's messed up very slowly.
Alright, well, I'm going to leave this episode right here. Hope y'all enjoy it. It was a short one. I'll try to get as long video as I can out for y'all. But as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Mosquitoes everywhere. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.
Every single day